Hey girlies, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a little get ready with me. I haven't done a just sit down get ready with me where it's just like fully just get ready with me content. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I actually have a really cool sponsorship to share with you guys today. So I'm super excited to get into this get ready with me. We're going to just do our makeup, hang out, chill. So if you guys would like to watch this get ready with me, then continue watching. So today's video is actually sponsored by s-noilite. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. I'm not 100% sure, but it's basically a hair extension. You guys can actually see them in the background. So it is actually a hair extension company on Amazon, and their hair extensions run for about like around $50. So very affordable. I know I love extensions. I love making my hair a little bit longer. Who doesn't? And these are some really good affordable extensions that I have to share with you guys today. So I actually have a ponytail extension, and then I have two colors of their halo extensions just because I was trying to make sure that I got the halo that like just matched my hair the best. So this is kind of what the halo extension looks like. I know it looks like it doesn't match my hair. This is the other color that I have, and this color is really cute, but it's just a bit too orange for me. So this color right here, although it looks like it doesn't match, it matches the bottom half of my hair. So while I put the extensions on, I'm just going to talk to you guys a little bit more about them. They're very easy to put on, super simple, and I think you guys are really going to like this product. So kind of how I do it is I just use a little comb. They are halo extensions, so you're going to want them to be like kind of right here at the crown, which actually I didn't know because when I've used halo extensions in the past, I used to put them like all the way down here when you're actually supposed to put it like up at the crown. I basically kind of just like part right here, and I use the one with the metal point because it's just so much more like precise, I feel like. But I just go ahead and do that, and then I do the other side, and then I just kind of pick it up from the back. Okay, so once I've parted my hair, I just go ahead and put the clip in, and then now we're gonna put in the extensions. I'll turn around from the back so you guys can kind of see what I'm doing. But the extension actually looks like this, and I love halo extensions for the simple fact that they're way less damaging on your hair than like regular clip-in extensions. But these ones do actually have two clips, and this is just to make sure like it stays in your hair. But this clear elastic goes up here, and you literally cannot see it at all. And you can also like adjust it. You just take like some pliers and then just pop it, and then you can pull the string tighter if you want it, and then just clip it back. Hopefully you guys can see this. I don't know if you can. Right here is where the line is, so I just take the extension and I just put in the clips like that. And then my band did get a little bit messed up, but you're just gonna reposition your band and then watch this little magic that happens. But yeah, as you guys can see, it does not match my roots at all. But whenever I take my brush, my part got all sorts of messed up. I just brush it through, and then this is what they look like. As you can see, they match the ends of my hair very well, and it just blends in so nicely. They're super pretty, and these are only $50 on Amazon, you guys. These are literally so amazing. The hair is such good quality. The hair is actually 100% real Remy human hair, so you are getting very good quality hair. So they do have 3 different hair textures, and then they also have 13 different hair colors. So you can just look on Amazon. I will have the link and everything to the hair extensions down below, but you can just look, find the color that matches for you or the hair texture that matches for you. I got 20-inch, I believe, and I'll show you guys from the back kind of just how long they are. I don't know if y'all can tell, but they go down pretty far. They go down about right here. But then I also wanted to talk to you guys about their ponytail extension. These are the same hair color, but this is just a ponytail extension, and it comes just like this. It has like the mesh, and then it has the clip, and then it has velcro around it, velcro around it, and then you just kind of like wrap it around your ponytail like so. Obviously you would do this on your real hair, but you wrap it around, and then you take this little piece and you go around like that, and then you would just like bobby pin it in so it would look like this, and then it would just like add to your ponytail. Again, this hair is 100% real human hair. You can restyle it, wash it, dye it, cut it, curl it, straighten it, whatever you want to do with it. You can literally do anything and everything with it. So you are getting really good quality, and for such a good price. Like the price point is just amazing for me. They're literally only $50, and hair extensions can run so high. So definitely if you guys are looking for any hair extensions or anything like that, you guys can go to my description box below to check these hair extensions out. They're literally amazing. You won't want to miss it. But yeah, I just want to say thank you so much to them for sponsoring today's video. But with all that being said, we're gonna go ahead and get into the get ready with me. All the information to the hair extensions and anything like that will be in the description box, so make sure you check that out. But yeah, let's get into the makeup. So I'm sitting in my room because I tried sitting in the bathroom, and I was sitting on the toilet, and the what's it called, the like toilet seat just kept making sound. So it's like very loose, and we've already tightened it, but I don't know. We're gonna do our makeup. I have my little makeup caddy. This is just what I'm working with right now. I was talking about recently that I really do want to get a vanity just because it's so much easier for me, and I like having like a sit down area where I get ready. This is probably gonna, actually I think this might, you know what, instead of this being a get ready with me, this is probably going to be my everyday makeup routine slash get ready with me, you know what I'm saying? So this is what I do all the time because you guys keep asking me for it anyway, so I might as well just kill two birds with one stone and get it in this video, right? Anyways, the primer that I've been recently using is this one. It's the First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothie Primer. I just really like it because, I don't know, I can use it every day and I don't have to worry about like it being too expensive or anything because First Aid Beauty sent it to me, you know, so basically got it for free. I just use this one because I don't want to use my other one. This is my favorite primer, the Milk Primer, the Hydro Grip one. This shit is so good, you guys. If you have not tried it, it's literally amazing. I use this one just because I don't want to use that one every day, so this is kind of like my everyday primer. So for foundation, I use the ColourPop Pretty Fresh. So for foundation, I just use the ColourPop Pretty Fresh. This one's really good. This is in the shade Fair 25W. It matches me pretty well. I would maybe say it's a little bit dark for my winter shade. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm literally the same color as the wall. Like, I'm so pale, it's not even funny. Not that that's a bad thing. If you're super pale, don't worry about it. I try to not hate on it so much just because, like, I love in the summer when I have like a little tan going on and I got that glow. And in the winter, I just don't have that glow, like, at all. I try to not put myself down too much for it because, like, it's just, this is just my natural color, you know what I'm saying? But sometimes I'm like, damn bitch, can you get some color in your face? Like, fuck. Anyways, I'm gonna be using this brush right here. This is the Real Techniques buffing brush. I really like Real Techniques brushes. I don't know how y'all feel about them, but for me personally, I love them. They're like my favorite brushes. Sometimes I go in a different order. Sometimes I do this order. I really don't have any specific order to my makeup. I mean, I do kind of. There's only like 2 orders that I'll go in. So like either I'll start with my eyebrows or I won't start with my eyebrows, you know? But usually that's how I go. I don't know, I'm all over the place today, y'all. I don't like having my hair down, so we're just gonna put it up. Back to what I was saying. Oh, this is my favorite brush though. We'll use it in a minute. Anyways, I keep saying anyways a lot and now it's kind of getting on my nerves. I need to shut the actual f up. Anyways. Anyways, holy fuck. Next, okay, I'm using the Multi Sculpting Concealer. This one's so good. I need to get more of it because I'm like scraping this shit at this point, but we get some and then put this on my blemishes. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my favorite brush of all time, little ASMR moment. This is the Expert Face Brush. I rave about this brush. I feel like I've been raving about this brush for like years, ever since I got it. If you have any little pimple, put whatever concealer you have that you like for like covering that and just use this brush and just let me know how you feel. I've never found a brush that covers up my pimples better. I can use any concealer, but if I use this brush specifically, I have like so much spit in my mouth right now. But when I use this brush, it just makes everything, like it just covers everything so well basically. This is a recent product that I just added. So it is the Instant Age Rewind because I really want to try the Charlotte Tilbury. I don't know why I cannot speak. I literally don't know what's going on today, but and look at my trashy ass, my bra poking out. Anyways, this is the Instant Age Rewind. So I wanted to try the Charlotte Tilbury cream contour and stuff, but don't want to spend that much money. So this is like kind of a dupe. Oh, and by the way, this color, this is in the shade Marshmallow, and then I got this one in the shade Caramel. Shit, it's a lot. Okay, now we're gonna blend. I'm gonna use my beauty blender today. Oh no, what the fuck? Why does this look like this? It's okay, we're gonna use our concealer and it's gonna make it look so much better. We just have to blend it in for right now. I'm gonna use a little stipple brush to do this. It's a Real Techniques brush. How do you like pat or I don't know. You guys, I used to be so good at makeup and like always on the trends of makeup and always like learning new about makeup, and now I feel like I don't know anything. This is the concealer I use. It's the ColourPop Pretty Fresh in the shade Fair 10N, and I just go right here. I know girls always do that. I don't really know what it does, but I do it too. And then I do a little bit on my forehead, my chin, and then this is where we snatch the nose. Do it on the nose. I'm also gonna do some right here, even though my under eye will blend into it anyways. I just feel like I need to breathe. Oh, I'm gonna do some under my contour as well. I saw some girl do that on TikTok today, so we're gonna try it. I don't know why I feel like I'm on 100 today. Oh my god, today I can tell you guys about what I did today. So I woke up, I was supposed to wake up at like 10. No, I was supposed to wake up at like 8:30. I didn't end up waking at 8:30. I ended up waking up at like 10 o'clock, like 10:09. And then after that, I got up, I brushed my teeth, washed my face, and then I did a little skincare video. Well, I finished off my skincare video. That should be coming out this Friday, so that's gonna be before this video. So if you haven't watched it, go watch it. I'll put it in the eye. Finished off that video, and then after that, I was going to just go ahead and start this video. But then I was like, you know what? No, I need to go to the gym. I have not been to the gym in so long. Like, I filmed these little gym TikTok videos, and that was like the last time I went to the gym was when I filmed those. I was like, I really need to go to the gym. So I went to the gym. I ran for like 20 minutes, but I didn't even run the whole time. I just interchanged. Like, I walked and then I ran and then I walked and then I ran. And then the reason I stopped, I would have gone longer, but the reason I stopped was because I didn't know what the like little red thing, hold on, this video is gonna be long because I'm literally talking the entire time. So I was gonna do it longer, but I didn't know what the red thing was on it because it's like a newer treadmill. So I was like, oh my god, what is this? So I pulled it off, and then of course that's like the automatic shut off, and so it shut off the treadmill. And then that was the second time that had happened, because when I first started the workout, I think I did the same thing, but I didn't realize I did the same thing, or I don't know, but the workout ended up stopping. So at this point I had already been on the treadmill for like 20 minutes, and I was like, I'm not starting over again. Like, I'm just not doing it. I went upstairs and I did my abs, and that was my workout for the day. And you know, it wasn't that much, but at least I went. You know, like, at least I went, because I could have not gone. I could have not gone. Simple as that. So at least I went. But I still feel like it was a pretty decent workout. Like, I got my abs in, feel the burn. I just didn't do any like weights or nothing, which is usually what I like to do because I'm trying to get a booty. I feel like I'm gonna go back and edit this and I'm gonna be like, you were so annoying. Anyways, okay, so now I'm gonna use the Morphe Luminous setting spray. I don't do this all the time. I usually always use it like when I'm done with my makeup, but sometimes I will spray it in between whenever I'm done with my cream products. So I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, so now for powder products. This is my second drawer. I was for a long time using this NYX HD finishing powder, the banana one, and I do really like this. I was using this for my under eyes and just for all of that, but I have this translucent honestly, I don't even want to speak anymore. I literally don't want to speak. The Tarte Shape Tape Translucent Setting Powder. So I've been using this one because although it's translucent, it looks literally the same color. Like, it looks banana. Y'all tell me. It's the same to me. So basically what I do is I just take my little beauty blender and then I go in. By the way, I'm getting ready so that I can go and take some Instagram pictures. So if you wondered why I'm getting ready. And then I'm gonna do a little bit underneath here as well. So for bronzer, I have a bunch of different bronzers that I kind of switch through. Honestly, I switch through my makeup all the time. So I don't necessarily just use like one specific product unless I just showed you like one specific product. But for like my bronzers, my blush, and my highlighter, it's always interchanging. So I'm gonna just show you some of like my top favorites. So it's just this Kylie bronzer in the shade Toasty. I really like this one. My favorite bronzer, however, is the Tarte Park Avenue Princess. This one is so good. I have it in like the little mini version, and then I liked it so much, so I got it in the big version, and I'm still obsessed with it. The next bronzer that I kind of use here and there, it's so f***ing broken. It literally looks like I need to throw it away, but it's the Essence Sun Club Matte Bronzing. This one's super cheap and it's really good. I really like it. So I like to use this brush. It's the Luxie 522 tapered highlight brush, but I like it because it's just like domed and I feel like it fits perfectly for this little area. So go over. Honestly, actually, I don't know why I'm even bronzing, because whenever I use cream bronzer, I don't go over it with powder. I literally just, because this one is so bright and like bam, I literally just use my powder and I blend it over it. But I guess today that's not what we're doing. But on a day-to-day basis, if I'm using cream bronzer, I usually won't like do a powder bronzer. I'll just use my regular powder. And then for blush, I like to switch through. I have the Kylie Close to Perfect is a really good one. Actually, I'm not going to read out all the blushes. I'm just going to read the one that I'm going to use because I have too many. I'm just going to use this one. So this is the Jelly Pong Pong Caribbean Sun Bronzer Duo in the shade Bahamas. It's super pink. I just kind of take my brush and just blend them. This brush is the Farah F-A-R-A-H Large Angled Contour Brush 30F. And I'm just going to put some blush on. Ew. Also, I do want to say, if you have like a little bit more acne and you need like a powder to cover that, I would recommend the L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hour. This one's a dupe for the Makeup Forever powder foundation. This one's super good, so I would definitely use this if you're on more of a budget. But now for highlighter, I have a few. I will share these. I have the Becca Champagne Pop. This one's really good if you like a pink highlighter. And then the two Ofra ones that I have are the Ofra X Nikki Tutorial in Glazed Donut and the Ofra Madison Miller in in Moon Dance. And then I also have the Anastasia Glow Kit in the sugar one. I love this glow kit. I love the shade Gumdrop. It's my favorite because it has like pink like under crystals or whatnot, and it just always looks so good. But today I think I'm gonna do Becca by Champagne Pop, and I think I'm actually gonna do Glazed Donut on my nose and underneath my brows and my inner corner and stuff, and I'm gonna do this one on my cheekbone. I like using this one because I just feel like it looks so good and it blends in with my blush very well. Honestly, this is how Get Ready With Me's go. I'm so talkative like towards the beginning of them, and then towards the end whenever I'm like finishing off my makeup, I get so boring and I don't talk. So for my brows, I use one of two things to fill them in. So either I'll use the Milani Dip Brow in the shade Taupe, or I will use the e.l.f. eyebrow pencil in the shade Blonde. I think I'll probably just go ahead and use the e.l.f. one today, and I usually will cut them, clean them up or whatever, and I'll just use the same Pretty Fresh foundation, not foundation, the concealer. However, I'm not going to do that today just because I don't feel like it. For eyebrow gel, I use the Essence Clear Eyebrow Gel. I think what I'm going to do is just like kind of go through this because I just don't know what to say. Before we do that though, I'm going to dust off this powder. Alrighty, so there we go. There's the eyebrows done. I was actually watching back on videos that I used to post and stuff, my old videos, whenever I had dark hair, and you guys, my eyebrows, why did y'all not tell me? Like, why did y'all not tell me? Because I mean, these probably look ugly too, but they were so freaking skinny and they were just like so painted on. They didn't even look natural. It just, why did I do them like that? Anyways, okay, so usually I'm probably just gonna do mascara today just because I think I am gonna go ahead and do them just for the sake of the video. I have this Black Magic mascara. This is the Beauty For Real mascara. This one is the Triple Shot XXL mascara by Ciat London. Bad Gal Bang by Benefit. This is waterproof. This one's the Voluminous Lash Paradise. And then the last one I have is this Tracique Good Vibes mascara. So while I do my mascara, I'm gonna go ahead and do my lashes. These are the, well, I'm gonna have them like the glue sitting on them. So these are the, I have no idea, Sassy World lashes. I don't know. Okay, well, I don't know the style, but they look like this. Beautiful. And the glue that I use is the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive with Aloe. I used to use this one, but I just decided to switch it up. This is just the regular like duo one. I decided to switch it up because my eyes are very sensitive, and they always would get like super irritated when I wore my lashes for too long, or just like for a long time in general. If I put on my lashes probably at like 6, they would be hurting my eyes by like 10. So it's like only 4 hours and they would hurt so bad. I switched my lash glue, and I will say, I feel like they do last a lot longer. My eyes don't get as irritated as fast. We're gonna just do my mascara, and then we're gonna do the lashes, and then we're gonna do our lips. Just got done doing my lashes. I'm not really sure how I feel about them. They're cute, but like up close they don't look cute. I don't know. Luckily I'm just taking a picture, so that's all that matters. But for lips, I'm gonna use this L'Oreal Color Rich Beyond Pink lip liner, and then for lip gloss I'm gonna use the NYX Filler Instinct Plumping Lip Gloss in the shade Brunch Drunk.
It's been a long time.
Yes, ma'am. A lot of water under the bridge.
Some of the old songs.
Yes, ma'am.
And then to finish off the makeup look, we're gonna just use the Morphe Luminous Setting Spray. and then we're done. So now I'm just gonna finish off the look by taking down my hair, and then we're gonna go ahead and brush through the extensions. So yeah, so that's my little finish get ready with me little everyday makeup routine. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, turn your post notifications on, comment the lipstick emoji in the description box if you watched to the end of this video. But yeah, again, thank you so much to s-noilite for sending me the hair extensions. I absolutely love them. They're amazing. You guys should definitely go check them out and get you some. But with all that being said, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.